In the manufacturing world, you don't ever want to have bacteriophage enter your normal manufacturing plant. Pretty much every FDA certified manufacturing environment in the world would not let our CRISPR phage products into their manufacturing facilities. We needed a solution that was going to be able to provide the company with the flexibility and the speed to be able to rapidly manufacture drug cocktail candidates to be able to advance into the clinic.
We built a facility that can meet FDA, EU, Japanese, Turkish, Russian regulations and be able to do that all inclusively within a biosafety level 2 environment.
We have 3 manufacturing suites. We've got a midstream processing room, and then we have a processing suite where our new Vanarex filling station actually is one of the most advanced self-contained filling pieces of equipment that exist.
We use entirely single-use technology. We have a much lower risk of contamination, we lower the cost of manufacturing, and we have maximum flexibility. Not only have we made very high-quality phages that pass parenteral drug specifications, but we've made material in a scalable manner, and those are really important competitive advantages.
This facility was built to that standard of all global regulatory environments, not just the subset of the FDA for the United States. So we have a lot of flexibility here to be able to advance products all around the world. We've ended up with what we think is the world's most advanced microbial viral production facility, and we view that as a critical part of the long-range success of Locus.